Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Beryl from Kakaklo, a clothing wholesale company. In today's video, I'll talk about something you are definitely interested in. Now, let's get it started. If what you do outside of work is your true passion, why not turn it into your career? After all, you probably want to love what you do, especially if you are going to spend most of your life doing it. However, what you need to launch a business is not only passion. It takes time, dedication, planning, and a little bit risk on your part. As you toy around with the idea of turning your hobby into a business, there is one question you should ask yourself first. Should I start a business? Typically, it's a question of feasibility. You may no longer enjoy it. The pressure of working to a schedule and meeting financial goals and customers' expectations can simply take away the fun. There's a chance that you end up disliking this activity as much as a business that you never want to do it again. This fundamental change is something you need to be ready for. So, think long and hard before taking these steps and ask yourself, if this doesn't work out as a business, could I live without ever doing it again because I won't ever feel the same about it? If the answer is no, save yourself some headache and choose another way to make a living. If the answer is yes, or you are unsure, then it's at least worth exploring what your hobby as a business will look like. So, to get your hobby into business, here are 8 suggestions for you. 1. Do a Gantt chart and set a goal. A hobby is something that you do for enjoyment when you are not at work. When you make it your livelihood, you have to be willing to put in the time it takes to launch a business. So, when you are working on something you are passionate about, what else do you want from this business? Do you intend to quit your day job and run it full-time? Are you just looking for a side hustle? Do you simply want a challenge or even just freedom to make something on your own? Ask yourself these questions and determine what you expect to get from this business. Actualize clearly. It will help you stand the course and remember why you decided to become an entrepreneur at the first place. 2. Test the concept and do your research. Starting with something that you are passionate about can be dangerous because people usually fall into the trap of being obsessed with a product or business idea. So, doing market research by yourself is necessary. It's a process of learning more about a potential customer. You are asking questions, looking at the available market, analyzing competitors, and identifying your target market. Do enough to verify your idea is well thought out and has potential in this market. You will likely to come back to this step fairly often throughout the life of your business. Then start it as a side hustle to test it out first. When the profits start to reach a level close to your current income, it may be time to quit your day job. 3. Identify a business model and write a business plan. The second half of doing your research is identifying a business model. It can be really easy to find a problem, have an idea, and jump right into product or brand development. But if you don't fully understand how you will actually make money, you won't ever get your business off the ground. To put it simply, you need to know how much it will cost to make your product or service, how much it will cost to sell it, how much your customers is willing to pay. You also need to consider how you will actually sell these products. Will it be subscription model or one-time purchase or ad value? Find a platform that fits your customer base, business offering, and pricing strategy. Just be sure whichever model you choose bring in more money than you spend. And to be clear, you can also adjust and adapt as you go, but it's better to start out on the right foot. 4. Build your brand and create a web presence. Branding is important when it comes to a recognition. You will need a business name and logo that will convey your business personality and look good on a website, business card, and advertisement. Choose colors that resonate best as your target market. Also, don't forget to create social media pages and add your business to Google My Business. Having a web presence and the right tools in place can always help you expand your target market.